Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are fine and doing good. Welcome to our second lecture of science, class 6. Chapter number 1, that is cellular organization of plants and animals. First of all, I will recall our previous lecture that is about cell. Cell is the fundamental unit of life. We have discussed different types of cells like nerve cells, muscle cells, bone cells, etc. And shape of cells that may be spherical or elongated. Size of cells are also different. They may be as big as yolk of an egg or so small that cannot be seen with the naked eye. To view small cells, we need a special instrument called microscope. Microscope is an instrument that is used to see objects that are too small for naked eye. The word microscope is related to another term, that is microscopy. The microscopy is the science of investigating small objects and structures using an instrument, and the instrument is microscope. The word microscopy is derived from two letters that are micro and scopy. Micro means small and scopy means to view. So microscopy means to view small things or objects. Now the term microscopic. Students, you have learned about the terms microscopic organisms and animals. Actually, microscopic organisms, animals or things are invisible to human eye unless aided by a microscope. We have two types of microscopes. One is light microscope and the other is electron microscope. Their names are derived from their optical sources. In case of light microscope, light is used as a source of illumination and its magnification power is 1500x. While in electron microscope, a beam of electron is used as illumination source, and the magnification power of electron microscope is 500,000 times than the original size of the object. So, with the help of electron microscope, we can even observe the internal structures of cells. Today, our topic of interest is the parts and functions of a light microscope. You can see from the diagram that a microscope consists of an eyepiece, adjustment screws, arm, tube, objective lens, stage, mirror and a base. Now we will discuss about each part of a microscope one by one. Base is the bottommost part of a microscope. The object to be seen is placed on a glass slide and then on the stage. Tube is attached to the arms of a microscope and it bears lenses. Both eyepiece as well as objective lens are connected to the tube. Adjustment screws helps to adjust objective lens and clear our focus. Eyepiece is a lens at the end of a tube through which we observe an object, while objective lens is located near the object to be seen. Mirror is located beneath the stage and it helps to gather light to illuminate the object under study. Arm provides support to base, body and stage of our microscope. Microscope helps us to study different types of cells, their shapes and inner structures. Now I will summarize our today's lecture. First, we have discussed about the different definitions like microscope, microscopy and microscopic. Then we have studied about the types of microscopes and their uses. At end, we have discussed about the parts and functions of a light microscope in detail. Now it's time for your home assignments. You have to solve these questions on your copies with the help of your textbook and today's lecture. Do your work carefully, stay safe, stay healthy, take care, Allah Hafiz.